Welcome in to another Woolly review, and this is James C. Brett Flutterby. We're fluttering. It is a chunky, and it is chenille. 175 meters or 192 yards on this 100% super soft polyester skein. This is 100 grams as seen. And this is winging its way as this is uploaded to the winner of I've forgotten what the shop was. What was the shop? Tracy Hobby Rocks, of course. That's where it came from. Now the cheapest place that I found this is £3.50 on RKM Wools, which will be linked down below, as will any details regarding this that I haven't already read out. So let's see what it's like. So I can't do a full test swatch because, like I said, this isn't mine to keep, otherwise I would. And I don't want to mess it up for the next person. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There we go. And I'm going to do some single crochets. So 1 row of single crochets. As expected with polyester, it is very, very nice and soft. Very lovely. We love the chenille. Oops. So 1 row of the single crochet. Didn't say what colour this one was. This is colour B09, of course. There are 39 colours in this range, I believe. Some of them are multicoloured. Most of them are solid. This is a solid lemony colour. And it's nice to find a soft baby-esque wool that has lots of colours rather than just 3 or 4. So that's a bonus in my eyes. There we go. And I'm going to chain 2 because the next row we're doing half double crochet. Half double crochets. You have to let me know down in the comments below if you've used this or if you had looked at it and gone, oh, I don't know what it's going to be like. It's definitely lovely and soft. I'm finding the stitches easily, which is a bonus. I mean, let's face it, when you're crocheting, if you can't see the stitches, if you can't feel them properly, then it's kind of a downhill spiral, right? But no, this is working quite nicely. So next I'll do the double crochet. So I'll chain 3. And we'll do a double. Or should I say we'll do a row of doubles. I'm glad that this chenille isn't dropping all over the desk, that's a bonus, because I know a few people that hate using chenille because it just sheds and you end up with little chenille bits all over the place. Is that even a technical term? Chenille bits? Get off my chenille bits. More chenille bits. I'm going to use them to stuff me amigurumi. Almost at the end. It's not been too bad at all to work with. Oops. Let's go in the full stitch. There we go. So, hook, down boy. So there we are. It's pretty good stitch definition in my eyes for a chunky and a chenille at that. I think that's pretty good stitch definition. Feels lovely. Ooh. Oh, I want a dressing gown made of that. Oh, yeah, I can see it now. There's me cuff. La 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 la. Very nice. Now what about the frogging? Going for a gentle walk with the frog. He's just eyeing up his next ride. I have one chenille bit that just fell out. I am a little bit scared of doing it fast, but he's just found a moped, so goo, funky moped, goo, funky moped, goo, 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 funky moped, goo, funky moped. Have a little bit. Now, it does show that it's been used, but there ain't no kink. Well, very little kink. That's not bad, right? So what would I give it? $3.50 for the cheapest. Let's put it back around so we can put its belt back on. Flutterby, Flutterby, Flutterby. Okay, so what are we going to say for the Flutterby? Are we going to turn it down and say, oh heck no? No. Are we going to say, well, it's really not what I wanted. Is that the only thing you've got? Oh, no. Oh, no, we're not doing that. Are we going to say, well, you know what? It's not bad. You've not got my others? No? Huh. Oh, well, it's in my top 10. Let's go for it. No. Are we going to do 4 ladybirds and say it's in the top 3? And you know what? Okay, yeah, I'll take that. That's okay. I'm going to give it a 4.5. Ooh. 4.5 ladybirds for the Flutterby. There you go. That's better. Flutterby. Flutterby. And the only reason why I'm taking a half mark off is because $3.50. It's a little bit of a push. But you know, I would do it, but it's a little bit of a push. Like, I'd really have to make sure definitely had the money in the right colour. And heck, there are plenty of colours with it. So change of plan. I'm going to do a 5. I'm going to do a 5. I am going to do a 5. 5 Ladybirds for the Flutterby Chunky by James C. Brett. And we get a Beany approval as well, apparently. Thank you very much. Thank you. So there it is. Flutterby by James C. Brett. 5 out of 5 Ladybirds. What do you think? All details are down below, as is the subscribe button, which is completely free. The super thanks button, which is you saying thanks and giving a little something that might help out. Oh my gosh, do you have to? I don't think people want you sat on their wall, really. Oh boy. So that's that. Hopefully I will see you next week. Until then, this thing and I say take care and bye-bye.